Okay, their lawnmower guy showed up here. So before anything gets disturbed, I'm making this video. Okay, this is the aisle way. Okay, I didn't pull all of the weeds, but I got some of them. Now, Angel is in this pen, which this door shouldn't be open like that, but I have a video camera up, so. I moved my horses into these two pens because the other two pens had flooded. And before I moved them into those two pens, this is pretty much what they looked like, all except they had pigweed in them. Okay? And there's some horse shit back there. That's, I think, hay. I don't know. But I pulled a bunch of pigweed out of this pen, which is Eagles, and the pen Angel was in. And I'm going to show you. Because I threw all the pigweed that was in here right over here. So yeah, I cleared out that pen. And all the pigweed that was in here, I threw over here. Because as you can see, there's no horses or anything's been in this. And pigweed is dangerous to horses. It can kill them. This is the pen that Angel was in. You see all that? That's flooded. Nobody's going to put their horses in pens like this. See this pen? This is the pen Eagle was in. See all that over in there? That was flooded. This pen right here and that pen next to it were the only two pens outside of this one that had been used. Coming down here, not a whole lot of use in this one. Now, this is for that girl, Jamie, that's part of the saddle club or rodeo club here at McPherson, Kansas. You told me that I had to clean out my pens. Everybody cleans out their pens. Everybody. You're full of shit. You're full of crap. And right there's your crap. That's old. That is very old. That's old. That's old. This is hay. This crap's old. This crap's actually from my stallion when he got bouncing around. It kind of floated in here. But you can see the difference. Okay? Anybody can see the difference between relatively new, right in here, that's overspill right there, and old. new, old. Nobody cleans out their pens. Oh, yes, and right in through here, that's old poop. It is. That's old poop. So, a lesson learned here is that everybody lies, and when individuals are that self-centered, self-absorbed, self-conceited, they will stop at nothing. They don't care about anything except themselves and the people who pay. I agree, Eagle. Well, I'm going to take down my game cam. I just put this up the other day. But I've had game cams up on my horses ever since I got here. Pausing.